Hello students, welcome to our computer class. Hope you all are following my classes through school website. Today in our class we will learn binary arithmetic. As computer understand only binary language, the data input to the computer by us is converted into binary code for processing. This processing may involve various kinds of arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. on binary number. So let's start with binary addition. Binary addition. This is very easy and simple. This is performed in the same way as we perform addition with decimal number. So first we have to understand the addition of two binary digits. So we have to follow certain rules. So 0 plus 0 for 0. 0 plus 1 for 1. 1 plus 0 for 1. So in decimal also same. Now 1 plus 1 in decimal 2, but here we don't have 2 digit 2, so here it is 1 0. So while adding 1 plus 1, the output will be 1 0, where 0 will be written in the same column, whereas the carryover 1 will be shifted to the next higher column, as it happens in decimal addition. So let's take one example. Plus, yes. So this is one binary number, this one another binary number, binary plus binary addition. How to write this? Here we have 4 digits. So we will start with 0 plus. Now see, 0 plus 1 for what we have learned? 1. Then 1 plus 1 gives 1 0. So here result will be 0, and that 1 will carry over to the next higher column here. So 1 plus 1 for again 1 0. 1 1 will be carry over this side. So that 1 plus this one for again 0, 1 will carry this side. This one plus this one for 1 0. This is the answer. Let's take another example. 1 1 0 1 0 plus 1 0 1 1 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 for 0, 1 will carry over this side, that 1 plus this one for again 1 0, 0 will come here and 1 will carry over this 1 plus this one for 1 0, then again 1 will carry this side. Now here 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 ones. So here 1 plus 1 is 1 0, that 1 0 plus 1 for 1 1. Or you can remember 1 plus 1 plus 1 for 1 1. So we write 1 1. This is that. So I hope you understood this binary addition. Now we will go to binary subtraction. Binary subtraction. So the rule to be followed to perform binary subtraction are 0 minus 0 for 0, 0 minus 1 for 1, 1 minus 0 for 1, and 1 minus 1 for 0. So these three are same as decimal, only we have to focus on this 0 minus 1. So in decimal 0 minus 1 means 9, but here 0 minus 1 gives 1, which will borrow 1 from its previous column. You know that number is borrowed when 1 is subtracted from 0. So here 0 minus 1 for 1. But then we will not follow this borrow method, which is very much difficult for binary subtraction. I will use another method. So you follow that one. 1 1 0 1 base 2 minus 1 1 0 base 2. So 1 1 0 1 minus 1 1 0. So 1 minus 0 for simple 1. 0 minus 1 for 1. So whenever we will subtract 1 from 0, in this number before 0 till the last one, all the bits will be replaced by opposite bits. So before this is my last one, so this will be replaced by 0. So 0 minus 1 again, we will not consider this one. 0 minus 1 is again 1. For that 0, this one becomes 0. So here 0, nothing is there, means 0, 0 minus 0 for 0, no need to write this. This is the answer. So to understand this process, let us go through another example. 1 1 0 0 1 minus 1 0 1 0. So 1 minus 0 for 1. 0 minus 1 is 1. For this 0 minus 1, before this 0 till the last one, all will be replaced by their opposite bits. So this 0 will be replaced by 1 and this 1 will be replaced by 0. Actually we are borrowing this 1 from this side. So 1 minus 0 is 1, 0 minus 1 is 1. Again for that 0 minus 1, this 1 becomes 0. So 0, nothing is there, 0. This one. Clear? Another example. One zero one zero zero one 1 0 0 1 0. 1 minus 0 for 1, 0 minus 1 is 1, but for that 0 minus 1, in this number before 0 up to this 1, all bits will be replaced by opposite bits. So this 0 will be replaced by 1 and this 1 will be replaced by 0. So 1 minus 0 for 1, 0 minus 0 for 1, 0 minus 1 is 1. Again that 0 minus 1 situation came. So for that 0 minus 1, before this 0, this is the last one. So this will be replaced by 0 plus over 0 0 plus 0. So this is the answer. Clear now? Let us now find out how binary numbers are multiplied. Binary multiplication. The rule for performing multiplication using binary number is same as that of the decimal number. So here 0 into 0 for, in decimal 0, here also 0. 0 into 1 for 0, 1 into 0 for 0 and 1 into 1 means 1. So here any number into 0 means 0 and 1 into 1 is 1. Now following this rule, we will follow the same procedure to perform binary multiplication. Let's start with one example. So 1 1 0 1 into 1 1 0. So first we will multiply this number with 0, so 4 zeros are coming. Then with this 1 1 0 1, very simple, only to multiply with 1. Then again with this 1, this will be multiplied, so 1 1 0 1. Then they are sum, here 0, here 1, here 1, here 1. Binary addition we know, 1 plus 1 for 1 0, so 0 will come here, that 1 will go this side as carry. So that 1 plus this 1 for 1 0. Okay, so we will go to another example. So this one will be multiplied with this 1 0 1 1. Then with 0, this 4 zeros, 1 2 3 4. Then with this 0 1 1. Then they are sum, here 1, here 1, here also 1, 1 plus 1 for 1 0. This 1 will carry this side, so 1, here also 1. Understand? Now what is left? Binary division. The method to perform division of two binary numbers is same as that of the decimal. 0 by 1 for 0 and 1 by 1 for 1. Okay, we cannot divide any number by 0, so only these two rules. Take one example. This by this. This is division, this is divisor. So 3 bits are going here, 1 0 1 1 0. Subtraction, that also we know, 0 minus 1 for 1, and for that 0 minus 1, this 1 becomes 0, so 0 minus 0 for 0, 1 minus 1 for 0. So no need to write that. So taking this one, still this number is smaller than this, we have to take another 0. For that, here we have to put 0. Then here 1 0 1 0 1, and here, so this is what the remainder and this is quotient. Understand? Let's take another example. One 0 1 1 0. by 110. So if I take 3 digits, this number is smaller than this, so I have to take 4 digits here. So then 1 0 1 1 0. So 1 minus 0 for 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 1 is 1. For that, this 1 becomes 0. So here, now we have to take this 0. Take 1 1 1 0. So here 0, here 0, here 1. This is remainder, this is question. Division understood? This all about binary arithmetic. So today up to this much. Our second chapter for number system is completed. Now you will get some homework in the form of worksheet, which you have to do in your home, and next day I will give the solve of that worksheet. So stay home, stay safe. Thank you.